Is your computer mouse suddenly double-clicking when you only click once? It's a frustrating problem, but don't worry, you're not alone. This is a very common issue, and the good news is, it's usually fixable. In this video, we're going to show you how to repair a mouse that double-clicks on a single click. The culprit is often a worn-out micro switch inside the mouse. We'll guide you through opening the mouse, accessing the switch, and either cleaning the internal copper contact or replacing the switch entirely. Let's get started. First things first, gather your tools. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver. A precision screwdriver set can be helpful, and possibly a soldering iron and solder if you decide to replace the switch. You might also want some isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab for cleaning. Now, unplug your mouse from your computer. Safety first. Next, let's open the mouse. Most mice have screws hidden under the feet. These feet are usually just adhesive pads, so carefully peel them back to reveal the screws. You might need a thin tool like a spudger, or a small flathead screwdriver to help with this. Once you've removed the screws, the mouse should come apart. Some mice are designed differently, so you may need to consult your mouse's specific model to find the screws. Once you have the mouse open, locate the micro switches. These are the small, rectangular components that sit beneath the left and right mouse buttons. They're usually directly under the buttons themselves. Observe them carefully and note which one corresponds to the button with the issue. It's time to identify the faulty micro switch. The double-clicking is caused by the internal contacts of the micro switch wearing out over time. Now, you have two main options. The first is to try cleaning the contacts. Carefully remove the switch from the circuit board, which usually involves desoldering it if you choose to take this route. This option requires you to know how to solder. Take the switch apart and clean the internal copper contact using isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Then, reassemble the switch and put it back in place. The second option is to replace the switch entirely. You can buy replacement micro switches online, specifically designed for computer mice. Again, this option requires soldering. Desolder the old switch, and solder the new one in its place. Make sure the new switch is properly aligned before soldering. Once you've either cleaned or replaced the micro switch, reassemble your mouse. Put everything back together, and reattach the mouse feet if you removed them. Plug the mouse back into your computer, and test it out. Hopefully, your double-clicking problem is gone. If the issue persists, the problem might be elsewhere, such as a software glitch or other hardware problem. However, in most cases, this micro switch repair solves the double-clicking issue. We hope this video helped you fix your mouse. If it did, please give us a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.